Hello, friends. Today, we are tackling decluttering those kitchen drawers. You know, stuff builds up in there, and we don't even know where some of it comes from. And you know, things wear out, need to be replaced and got rid of. So that's what I'm going to tackle today. Just decluttering a few of my kitchen drawers to make them more organized so I can find things better. This is Declutter My Space. The host is myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Please check out the playlist and the other participants. Come on, let's go and get decluttering. Let's declutter this drawer. These are cute, never use them. Don't do Thanksgiving anymore with company at my house, so those can go. I don't crush my own garlic either. That's when I thought I was fancy. Now I know I'm not. This one's dirty, so that can go away. Let's see what we got here. These can go. I don't use them, so they can go away. There's more of this is for Christmas. I had teddy bears that I'd use for dip. That's gonna go away. This is right by the coffee pot, so it gets coffee spilled in it. That's gonna go. I think that whole set may actually go. I don't know where the other half is, so that's kind of a waste. There's the other half. I guess I need to put it together. Guess I'll keep them. Thermometer. These can go away. I don't need so many of these pancake turner things, so those can go. Okay. Let's see what else is back in the back. I don't know what that is. This can go away. That can go away. I have a ton of those. Okay, that's good. First of all, I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of all of these. Keeping this. Keeping my Scentsies, my little scent things. Cleaning up my husband's mess. He collects these things. I don't know why he's going to use a million bread ties. But if there's ever a shortage of bread ties, you just let me know, because I'm prepared. don't know what that little thing is, but I'm going to put that in there. These, I'm not using them. They're going. And this stuff, I'm going to just clean out. This is going in the trash. Oh, that can go in there. I don't know what that is either. I don't know what else is in this drawer, so I'll have to look. This is one I don't hardly ever use. Looks like these could probably be combined. Then we could get rid of this. I'm gonna dump this in the trash. Made our way to the snack drawer. And decluttering the snack drawer, mostly all I do is make sure there wasn't any old or outdated snacks in our drawers. This stuff I don't think is any good. So that's gonna go. I may send the gourmet popcorn with my husband to work. But I don't think this is good. So I'll toss that one. I don't think these are any good. And these I'm going to send to work with my husband. Same way with these. And then this just needs organized.